I thought there was an intruder in my home because I heard all this rustling. It's a fucking bird on the roof. What do you want from me, bird? There he is. I see you. This damn bird is tap dancing on my roof. Go take your lessons somewhere else. There's a stick. Oh my fucking god, I hear him. There he is. You piece of shit. Go somewhere else. Get out of here. Oh shit. See you fuckers out there. Stick to the trees. Oh my god. He's back. God damn it. I'm gonna sit and wait for this asshole now. I'm ready. I'm ready, bird. I'm gonna poke you. Came back for the stick. Yeah! Yeah! Alright, here we go. Round two. Get out of here. Yeah, that's right. I figured it out. This bird is pretty smart. And what do smart birds like? Money. Come here, Mr. Crow. Take this $1. I swear, nothing bad will happen. Go away, please. Just take your stick and leave. Fuck! I'm obviously dealing with a smart bird. How about $10? Here, just take it. Take my wallet. Take my wallet and fuck off! Clearly, this bird has enough money. So what do people with a lot of money like? Drugs? Shouldn't you be an EDC bird? Here, take these and fly over there. Please? Yes, bird. Take the drugs. Look at the light show. Yeah, dance with me. Dance, bird, dance. Fucking bird is crazy. Bird! Buddy, I gotta go. Jesus Christ, how does this guy do it? Oh my god. Fuck. That bird is fucking crazy.